Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve this math problem. Now, some people will start with 7 minus 5 and write 2, then bring down the times 5 down, and then they'll bring down the division symbol down and the 2 down. Next, they'll multiply 2 times 5, which is 10, divided by 2, which equals 5. So the answer is 5. Wrong! The answer is not 5. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying, hey, you are going to multiply first, not subtract. So what is 5 times 5? 25. Good job. And then let's bring down the 7 minus down and the division symbol down and the 2 down. Next, let's go back to PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying, hey, you are going to divide now. Division goes first, not subtraction. So what is 25 divided by 2? Well, let's turn this 25 divided by 2 in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. And let's bring down the minus symbol down and the 7 down, but let's turn the 7 into a fraction to make the math fun and easy. We all know that 7 over 1 equals 7 does not change the 7. And let me go ahead and erase this part we don't need anymore. And now we can solve, or let's go ahead and solve this 7 over 1 minus 25 over 2. Notice the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. And we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. And they all indicate multiplication. So 7 times, I'm drawing the first wing. 7 times 2 is 14. And then I'll draw the other wing. And I can't forget the antenna. Let me draw the other antenna. So 1 times 25 is 25. And then 1 times, that's the body. 1 times 2 is 2. So our new denominator is 2. Now, what is 14 minus 25? I'll just turn these numbers around. 25 minus 14, we know the answer is going to be negative. So 25 minus 14, so 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and so it's negative 11. So I'll erase this, and we have a answer of negative 11 over 2. And don't leave yet, because we want to find the mixed number answer and the decimal answer as well, or the decimal number answer. All right, so we are going to use long division to find those two, the mixed number answer and the decimal answer. So let's write this to the side, negative 11 over 2. So we got our first answer. We cannot simplify this further. This is it, 11 over 2, that is it. So we're gonna write our mixed number answer here and our our mixed number answer here and our decimal answer here. So we're gonna use long division, and we're gonna write 11 inside the long division symbol. And the 2 goes outside the long division symbol, that is called the divisor. And the 11 inside the long division symbol is called the dividend. So how many times can 2 fit into 11? So 10 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. And 11 minus 10 is 1. So we can write our mixed number answer. So it's, so the whole number is 5, and it's a negative answer, right? Because we have a negative there, negative 11 over 2. So 5 will be the whole number, so it's negative 5, and then we write our proper fraction. So 1, the remainder, goes on top of the division bar, or the fraction bar, and the 2 goes at the bottom of the fraction bar. So we have a mixed number answer, negative 5, 1 over 2. And I know the decimal answer is negative 5.5, but let's just finish the long division. So can you fit, how many times can 2 fit into 1? You cannot. So let's add a decimal there and a decimal there. And let's write a 0, bring it down, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. And how many times can you fit 2 into 10? 5 times. And 5 times 2 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. There you go. So the answer is 5. negative 5.5. And I wrote it down here. So look at that. We got our three answers, or three different types of answers. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And let me go ahead and draw you your happy face, happy face, happy face, happy face, and happy face. Bye. See you in the next video.